As in, yung mahirap balitaan siya. Actually, mommy, daddy, they were looking for the right time to say na wala na nga si Starbucks. Pero, I hope you will cherish. And ikaw na magpapangalan because this is your daughter. I love you so much. And,
Very unique. What do you think, guys? Plantay.
Promise na lang.
Meron siya ano necklace.
yes, ito naman bigay ng Eli-verse to. Ng mga Eli staff, bigay, nakasulat, I love Billy. Ay, Nikki. Yan. So, Baba, happy birthday.
Hindi pa nagtatapos dyan.
Yes!
Isang importante regalo pa natin si Billy.
Meron din akong, actually hindi galing sa akin, pero may sulat galing kay Mami at Daddy. Grandmother and grandfather. So, ikaw, basahin mo.
Grandmother and father.
Dearest Nikki, special greetings from your grandparents whom you fondly call us Daddy and Mommy. We are really proud of what you have achieved in the entertainment world as a singer, host, DJ, movie, TV, and stage actor.
Ay, kinakain yung buhok niya.
You have our humble, kind, sweet, loving, and sometimes mischievous Apo.
True.
We delight in being associated with you. In fact, we are often introduced to others as the Lolo and Lola ni Nikki. May you continue to glow like your 24th birthday gemstone, now considered as the most precious and sought after stone in the world. And Kyla's and I, we love you, Mommy and Daddy.
Tayo mga
They're the
mensahe mo.
sweetest grandparents in the world.
And I'm sure, mga Eli host, of course, may gustong ipahal.
I would like to thank myself again. Because without me, the show will still go on. I know that. Hi, birthday ka naman. Gusto ko lang isa sa mga ilang artista na talagang genuinely nga ng tawag pleasant, tignan, lagi nakangiti. Nakakita ka itsura, ang ganda sa class mo. Kasi yun na lahat, guys. Mag-iwalay din ba kayo? Ano ba ito?
Oy!
Minsan lang ako, sorry.
Ako naman, hindi sa 24 years ko na sa industry.
Kinakagat siya naman.
Si hindi mag-aaral sa trabaho,
Kinakagat yung buhok niya.
walang paarte-arte sa katawan. Hindi na mo, nagpapalaplap sa aso.
Nagkamali yata ako ng bigay na regalo.
May kalabang ka na.
Sa aso.
Oo, malay mo, pagdating ng araw, maging football player ko.
Sorry, Kate.
Teka lang po.
Basta, Nikki, maraming salamat dahil si Nikki pag nasa dressing room ka, doon mo mararamdaman meron kang kaibigan, meron kang ka-jologs, kapiki mo,
Tama.
yan si Nikki. Kaya napakaswerte mo ha, Billy.
Sobra.
Huwag mong pakakawalan yan. Pag pinakawalan mo yan, nandito lang ako.
Sa akin, si Kapoy kasi I'm very, very proud to call her one of my best friends. Na pagkakaibigan namin, alam ko na sa likod ng camera, mas malalim pa pagkakaibigan namin. So I think when this whole ride is over itong showbiz, I know na I will still get to keep you as one of my best friends and I will forever love you.
Kahit hindi ka pa nakakanood ng Sweet Charity.
Hindi pa!
Pero Baba, ako naman just one quick thing I just want to say. Sometimes you're not giving the break that you deserve, whether it's for TV shows, whether it's concerts, because ito tunay ito, you are one of the most talented human beings in this world. You are a blessing to so many people's lives, and Baba, no matter what happens, showbiz or non-showbiz, me and my family will always be here for you and your
Thank you, honey.
Salmana ng sponsor mo ng batay sa Sikon.
Kurita.